In this video, girls will do binary subtraction using ones complement method. Okay. So suppose you have to subtract this number from this number, means 110101 base 2 minus 100101 base 2. So this is the first number and this is the second number to be subtracted. Fine. So for that, what you will do, you will take ones complement of number to be subtracted. Okay, that means you have to take the ones complement of the subtrahend first. Okay, you will take its ones complement first, then you will add that ones complement to the miniand, that is the first number. Okay, start doing. Ones complement of second number is 1 0 0 1 0 1. This is your second number or subtrahend. Now you have to take ones complement of this. So what is the ones complement? What will be the ones complement? Okay, write the opposite bits. 1 instead 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, so this will be the ones complement of second number. Now you will add this to the first number, that is first number right here 110 101. Now add the ones complement of second number, that is 0 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, now add this 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 again 0 1. Okay, now what you have to do, in this you are getting a carry over here. Now count the digits of the number. How many digits are present in the number, actual numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So count from this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now you are getting a carry also. As MSB you are getting a carry. You will left that carry or you will ignore or discard that. Okay, fine. Now if you are getting carry, what you will do, you will add that carry, this plus this one will be added in the answer. Okay, in the rightmost bit, you will be adding the carry if you are getting the carry. Okay, now add this 1 1 0 1 carry, 1 1 again 0 1 carry, 1 1 0 again 1 carry, 1 1 0 again 1 carry, then 1 then 0. Okay, carry is added over here. So this is your answer. Fine. So if carry is left, you will ignore that carry, but you will add that carry to the answer, then you will be getting the final answer. Okay, if you are getting carry, in that case you will again add 1. Fine. So how to subtract a number from a number, binary number, using ones complement? Firstly, you will take the ones complement of the number to be subtracted or the subtrahend. Okay, then you will add this ones complement. This was the first number. Then you will be taking ones complement of this is the second number. You will take the ones complement of that. Then you will add this ones complement of subtrahend to the miniand, that is the first number here, like this. Okay, you will perform this addition of miniand and the ones complement of subtrahend. If you are getting carry, then add that to the rightmost bit, then you will be getting the final answer. Okay, so now come to the second example. Suppose you have to subtract 1011 base 2 minus 111001 base 2. Okay. Now again what will you do? You will be taking 1's complement of subtrahend, that is this second number. So 1's complement will be the 000110. This will be the 1's complement of subtrahend of the second number. Now add this 1's complement of second number to this number. Okay. Means 101011 and 011000. Add these numbers. 01 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 carry 1 1 and 1. Okay. So this 1 1 0 0 1. How many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So no carry is there. Okay. So this result will be the negative number. Fine. You will be taking the 1's complement of second number, that is 000110. Then you will add that to first number, that is 101011. Okay. After adding 101011 and 000110, you will be getting 110001. Okay. And if no carry is there, then what you will do? You will again take its 1's complement. Take its 1's complement of this answer. That will be the final answer. Okay. So that will be 001110. Okay. This will be the final answer. Okay. And this will be our negative number. Means minus 001110. This will be in negative. Okay. And again I am repeating the explanation. If you have to subtract two binary numbers, you will be taking 1's complement of second number of subtrahend. Okay. Then after taking 1 complement of this second number of, or you can say 1's complement of subtrahend, you will be adding that 1's complement of second number, you will be adding that with first number. Okay. Perform the addition. Carry is there. If carry is there, you will ignore the carry over here. Okay. Then you will add that carry with the rightmost bit. Okay. With this bit you will add that carry. Then you will be getting this. Okay. This will be your answer. Now taking second example. Suppose you have to subtract 101011 minus 111001. Again you will be taking 1's complement of second number and you will add that 1's complement with first number. Whatever you are getting, if you are not getting any carry, if you are getting carry, you will add that carry. If you are getting 1, you will be adding that to the rightmost bit. Then you will be getting final answer. But if you are not getting any carry, you will be taking its 1's complement again, and that will be your final answer.